How do I transfer my Amazon balance to PayPal?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting topic, transferring your Amazon balance to PayPal. We'll go through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Please note, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there is no direct way to transfer your Amazon balance to PayPal. However, we'll discuss a workaround that you can use, although it might not work for everyone.
Can you directly transfer your Amazon balance to PayPal?
The simple answer is no. You cannot directly transfer your Amazon balance to PayPal. Amazon and PayPal are separate entities, and they do not have an integrated transfer system. The Amazon balance is intended to be used for purchases within the Amazon platform and does not have a feature for transferring funds to other platforms such as PayPal.
What can you do?
Although there is no direct way to transfer your Amazon balance to PayPal, there's a workaround involving Amazon gift cards that you can consider. Please note this isn't a foolproof or officially sanctioned method, and you do this at your own risk. Step 1. Purchase Amazon gift card. The first step is to purchase an Amazon gift card using your Amazon balance. Go to the Amazon gift card purchase page, select the amount that corresponds to the balance you wish to transfer, and complete the purchase. Step 2. Find a reliable exchange platform. Next, you'll need to find a reliable platform where you can exchange or sell your Amazon gift card for PayPal funds. These platforms can be found online, but please do your research and be wary of scams. You should choose a reputable platform with positive reviews and a secure transaction process. Step 3. Exchange your Amazon gift card for PayPal funds. Once you've found a platform, you'll need to exchange your Amazon gift card for PayPal funds. This usually involves providing the platform with the gift card information and your PayPal account details. After the transaction is confirmed, the platform will transfer the corresponding amount to your PayPal account. Please note there may be service fees involved. In conclusion, while you cannot directly transfer your Amazon balance to PayPal, this workaround using Amazon gift cards may help. But it's important to stress again that it isn't a foolproof method, and it involves a certain level of risk. Always be careful online, and only transact on trustworthy platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.